In an industry where customers will settle for nothing less than the very highest quality products and services, there's one mill that delivers consistently. In a world where technological leadership is the key to maintaining a leading edge over the competition, one mill stands apart from the rest. In an industry where employees' skills, dedication, and teamwork make the difference, one mill's employees go the extra mile every day. That mill is International Paper's Georgetown Mill, a mill that offers each and every one of our customers an advantage, the Georgetown Advantage. Sprawling over 900 acres, the Georgetown Mill in Georgetown, South Carolina stands as an example of modern American ingenuity. One of the world's largest producers of bleached paper, paperboard, and pulp, the mill's total integration gives it the distinct advantage of greater control every step of the way from logs to finished products. Georgetown's daily output amounts to over 1,500 tons. Less than a decade ago, the Georgetown Mill was an obsolete containerboard plant with an uncertain future. Then in the early 1980s, Georgetown was transformed. More than $500 million were spent to completely modernize the mill. It took 4 years of hard work by nearly 5,000 construction workers and engineers, as well as the dedication of all 900 Georgetown employees. Known as the Georgetown Project, the reconfiguration represented a major investment by International Paper to its employees and the community, as well as to its many customers worldwide. It reinforced a commitment by International Paper to continue to provide our customers with quality products and services for many years to come. It also transformed Georgetown into a manufacturing facility with the latest technological advancements, making it a world leader in the pulp and papermaking industry. This leadership position is apparent in every phase of mill operations. The papermaking process begins here in the woodyard. 2 state-of-the-art wood-handling cranes unload 400 truckloads of wood every 24 hours. These logs are reduced to small uniform wood chips. Since the majority of chips are produced in our woodyard, we can carefully control their quality and uniformity. The Georgetown Mill produces 100% of its power requirements on site. Its combined electrical output could supply enough electricity for a community of over 100,000 people. Recycling of cooking chemicals is key to the economics of the Georgetown process. Burning of the used cooking liquor provides 50% of the fuel for our power generation, and over 90% of the chemicals are returned to the process. Approximately 20% of our fuel comes from bark and other byproducts of unchipped wood. Water is essential to papermaking. Georgetown is designed to be one of the most water-efficient mills in the industry, using less water for each ton of paper produced. The mill receives roughly 30 million gallons per day via a 24-mile canal from the PD River. Through this canal, the mill is also able to supply water to the city of Georgetown. Our pulp mill, which is one of the most modern and sophisticated in the world, is actually 2 pulp mills, one for pine and one for hardwood. Bleaching takes place in our 3 bleach plants. In the hardwood line, chips are cooked in batch digesters, which are much like large pressure cookers. The majority of our wood is processed through the totally reconfigured pine pulp mill, boasting a state-of-the-art 2-vessel continuous digester. Standing nearly 18 stories tall, it is one of the largest and most efficient digesters for bleached pulp in the world. Here, as in every phase of the papermaking process, Georgetown's employees are experts at their craft, closely monitoring the pulping process with the aid of a computer-controlled processing system. In fact, from the pulping of the chips all the way to the formation and winding of the paper, Georgetown's employees stay in constant communication with every critical parameter through a multi-million-dollar computerized monitoring and control system. These computers also enable us to schedule the pulp mill more efficiently. The pulping process is carefully adjusted to meet the exact specifications of customer orders. It's this thorough attention to detail that gives our customers the consistent product quality they have come to know and expect. The Georgetown Advantage. Georgetown's paper and pulp products are made on 3 machines. The number 1 machine provides a steady output of bleached paper used in envelopes, business forms, and offset printing papers. Number 2 produces paperboard for paper cups, file folders, tags, and food containers. Number 3 is a pulp machine producing both fluff pulp and market pulp. Fluff pulp is used for baby diapers and hygiene products. Market pulp is sold to other mills throughout the world who, without the ability to process and pulp their own wood, convert our pulp directly into paper. Paper quality is monitored closely during the manufacturing process. Operators in the paper machine control room keep a close and constant eye on every critical specification. In the testing laboratory at the end of the machines, paper samples from each reel are carefully tested and inspected to conform to proper specifications such as brightness, color, and strength. The high-quality pulp and paper products produced at Georgetown continue to improve so that current needs and future expectations may be met. After the reel is rewound and slit into rolls, a fully automated roll handling system transports the rolls to the loading area. The production, scheduling, and distribution department is responsible for the finishing and shipping of our products. Here they are wrapped and carefully labeled for shipment. Rolls are shipped by both truck and rail, and we are sure that they arrive at their final destinations on time and in excellent condition. Our customer service department, by staying in close touch with our sales force, not only ensures that machine production matches customer orders, but also follows through to see that our products are shipped to our customers in a timely manner. We not only ship by truck and rail throughout the U.S. and Canada, our coastal location also enables us to ship a large percentage of market and fluff pulp from the number 3 machine by ship, barge, and container to destinations in Europe and the Far East, putting Georgetown on the map as a worldwide competitor. Today, we continue to develop the technology to further perfect the paper we manufacture. As needs change, so must the processes. Changes are taking place every day at the Georgetown Mill. We are continually modernizing, making improvements that will keep Georgetown in the forefront of the pulp and paper industry. With all the changes and improvements at the Georgetown Mill, protection of the environment remains a top priority. The mill operates in compliance with all state and federal guidelines to ensure that our products are being produced in an environmentally safe way. We want to continue to protect our surrounding community, its land, its people, its recreational opportunities, which we so greatly value. The Georgetown Mill has always been a place where generations of families have been proud to work. The combined experience of our employees contributes to much of our success.
Something you have to be born and raised in, kind of raised up into, to really make a good paper maker. You just don't pick it up. It takes a long time to learn the job and really know all the tricks to it, how to, make a sheet of paper.
I've seen a lot of changes in the 28 years I've been here. And today, I believe our paper is at the highest quality it's ever been. due to the fact that we work together as a team throughout the mill, production and maintenance side. We want to be first in the nation.
That's what we're after, is a quality product, no matter what the operation is, right? So we call it...
Georgetown continually provides employee training in all phases of mill operations.
How about that?
The quality improvement process, QIP, is the driving force behind a never-ending effort to improve quality in every facet of production. Every day in some part of the mill, a QIP team is meeting to improve Georgetown's work environment, its customer service, and its products.
Because we've normalized this year's numbers. In other words, if we did
Through QIP, problem solving is no longer one person's responsibility. It's everyone's. Each worker's input counts, and each has the opportunity to offer suggestions on ways to do things better.
We are cutting in on narrow rolls and all that.
In an ongoing team effort, production operators are documenting each and every mill process to upgrade and refine employee skills.
Instead of the traditional way where engineering or some other form of management writes an operator's procedure for him and says, this is the way I want you to run it, we're trying to make it now where the operators own the procedure because they've developed it.
In addition, the mill has instituted a proactive preventive maintenance program helping to ensure that potential problems are avoided. One of the mill's newest efforts toward improving quality is through the use of statistical quality control, or SQC. This mill-wide program involves all levels of employees who use statistical information to more efficiently control their part of the process, as well as communicate their needs to other departments. An excellent way of ensuring that our product specifications are on target is to work directly with our customers, both here at the mill as well as at their converting facilities. We want to help our customers improve their runnability, to maintain supply, and to improve their daily operations.
We try to build partnerships with our customers by getting our mill people out on the customer's floor, production people talking to production people, to ensure the highest quality paper possible.
Through this close communication, necessary product adjustments can be made on the spot to better meet the requirements of today's sophisticated converting equipment. At Georgetown, we have the team, the talent, and the determination to ensure that our customers receive timely service and dependable high quality. We will never be satisfied with anything less than the best. We want to be the supplier of choice to our valued customers. We work hard to give our customers an edge, an advantage, the Georgetown Advantage.